Hey guys, I'm back in my garage for the first time since mid last year, almost a year. You haven't seen me shoot any more videos on the upgrades to my Honda Rebel 2024 500 ABS SE, and you did see me do some mods to it. This year I'm going to probably give you smaller videos with individual things. If you're hearing noise in the background, it is hot in New York. That's an exhaust fan on my workshop garage that works by a thermostat. It is so hot with the door open, it is still running. That's how hot. I'm sweating. I'm about to put on this really efficient Lasco air circulator, but if I do that right now, you won't hear me. So before I turn it on, I want to let you know that I just turned on the bike for the first time this season. Let me turn it on again for you so you can hear. First time for the season. I did have it on a battery tender all year. So what I plan to do today is, apart from cleaning up around it and getting all my mods situated, so for the next few weeks I will record videos showing you all these different ideas I had. There's a lot of changes, even changing like the levers and stuff I did before. You saw me do a video putting these on. These are gone. Got new levers, probably about 15 different mods, but I'm going to start with a simple one now that many people do, but since this is my bike and I want you to see it all put together in my concept, I'm going to swap out the exhaust. You see I have a slider here. I actually have sliders on both sides. I'm not sure if I showed you that before. I bought the bracket for the rear peg for the passenger and then put a slider on it on the other side. But today I'm going to change this out for this Coffman exhaust that's been sitting here for over almost a year. I bought it last year before my total knee replacement surgery, and I have to tell you guys that I'm going to be hurrying through these things because first week in October I'm going to have my second total knee replacement surgery, and that's going to be of my left knee. The right knee was done. It's still recouping. It's a long way from perfect, but I have to get some work done, right? I can't sit around for the entire year. So the shop has to do business. The shop has to work. I have to make the content. I have to do what I enjoy doing in between the pain of the knee replacement. So I'm going to do a time lapse, so it won't be audio to it, but as you can see, this looks like a swap replacement. So I'm just going to let the exhaust cool down a little bit. I'm going to turn the video back on, and I'm going to sit here and replace this, and then we're going to start up the bike and hear how it sounds with the new Coffman exhaust. So before I do that, for one last time, let me let you hear it with the stock exhaust from Honda. Now keep that sound in mind, so when you hear it the next time, you'll have a comparison. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see, that was a quick swap out. I mean, even with the time lapse, it's a very easy, the Coffman exhaust is an exact swap. So now for the first time for both me and you to hear it on my bike, this is update or mod number 1 for the season of, I'm hoping 12 or 13 different mods that you will like before the season is over. So here we go. Now you remember what it sounded like, so now you get to hear it this way. And there you go, mod 1 over, replacement of stock exhaust with the Coffman exhaust. More to come, stay tuned. I got a lot of things for you guys to see.